Why, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Xander from IC3D, and you are watching Xander's Thing Thursday. I have fins to the left of me, fins to the right of me, and this week it's all about the articulating shark.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
As you can see, I have a large collection of sharks and another one that just finished printing. But why? Why do I have so many articulating sharks? Well, we are helping IC3D out with their Toys for Tots project. Phew, that's a lot of sharks. This is the articulated shark by McGybeer on Thingiverse. There will be a link to it in the description below. McGybeer was gracious enough to let IC3D printers use this for the Toys for Tots project. There are 4 different STL files for this model. There's the original design, the friendly face, the non-movable jaw, and the movable jaw. We went for the friendly face and the movable jaw. By the time you took him off the bed, almost all the joints were free. I did have to work the tail a little bit, and I had to use a dental pick to pop open the jaw. I think I'm going to name him Bruce. This was printed in IC3D PLA yellow with a 220-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.16 layer height to make it a little bit more smooth. And at this point, I think we're going to need a bigger benchy. So I haven't yet put this model in water, but out of all the flexing models that I have printed, this one has the best articulation. By all means, if you are able to, please do donate to Toys for Tots. And thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everybody, so what do you call the stuff stuck in a great white shark's teeth? Slow swimmers. Oh, that's so gruesome.